25 years ago, we had a bold idea: to rethink how the world manufactures. Wherever innovation was needed, we stepped in, not just as a solution, but as a partner in reinvention. Innovation isn't just a goal for us, it's in our DNA. From smart robotics to virtual twin experiences, we create tools that help industries not just keep up, but leap ahead. DELMIA is more than just software. It's a globally connected family of thinkers, doers, and believers. Your stories are the heart of our success. From Berlin to Beijing, Detroit to Dubai, our solutions have touched lives and industries across continents. As we look to the future, our commitment is stronger than ever: to empower makers, manufacturers, and innovators with tools that turn possibilities into realities. The next 25 years will demand more. More resilience, more sustainability, more agility, and more out-of-the-box thinking. We're ready. Thank you for being part of our story. Here's to the next 25 years of imagining and building together.